Welcome. As we get started in the balancing meditation, take and get comfortable in a seated or laying position. This meditation is to balance your chakras. Chakras are the wheels of energy that are attributed along the spine throughout your crown all the way into your feet. These spinning energy vortexes allow us to connect and have harmonious lives when they are balanced. Taking time to adjust, clear, and align these chakras allows you to live and establish harmony in your life. Now, take a few deep breaths. Inhale, hold at the top. Exhale, hold at the bottom for 3 breaths. Close your eyes and visualize in your mind's eye the number 1. Picture it a brilliant shade of red. Breathe in the color red for a count of 6, holding it for a count of 3, and slowly breathe it out for a count of 6. Pause. Take 3 breaths. Now, see the color orange. See the number 2. Now breathe the orange color in for a count of 6. Hold it for a count of 3. And exhale for a count of 6. Pause. Take 3 breaths. See the number 3. See the color yellow. Breathe in for a count of 6. Hold for a count of 3. And exhale for a count of 6. Take 3 breaths. See the number 4. See the color green. Slowly breathe in. Hold it. Breathe out. Hold it. Take 3 breaths. See the number 5. See it as a beautiful sky blue. Breathe in for the count of 6. Hold for the count of 3. Exhale for the count of 6. Hold for the count of 3. Take 3 breaths. See the number 6. see the color indigo. Take a breath in for the count of 6. Hold for 3. Exhale for the count of 6. Hold for the count of 3. Take 3 breaths. See the number 7. See the color purple. Breathe in for the count of 6. Hold for the count of 3. Exhale for the count of 6. Take 3 breaths. Pause. Stay in this position as long as you feel comfortable, as long as you feel that you need. You have now balanced your energy centers. You will feel relaxed and rejuvenated. Do this as often as you feel you need it. The more frequently, the better you will feel. It's wonderful to make this a daily or weekly practice. The more often you do this, the faster you will be at being able to realign, readjust, and reset your chakras.